In this video, we will show you how to assemble the solar module with the solar altitude emulator. We will start by unboxing the packaging. Here you see the solar rack module, the wheeled base, and the necessary tools. Remove the supporting cardboards. Identify the screws and the hex key that are provided for the installation. Make space for removing the pieces from the box. The first item that you remove is the wheeled base. Afterwards, remove the solar rack module and place it carefully in a way that you have the black hook facing upwards. Next, you remove the remaining packaging from the leg. Now you will need the screws for installing the wheeled base. You will find 2 screw holes on each leg. On the wheeled base, you will also find the respective holes. Align the legs and the base in a way that the longer part faces upwards and fix them with the screws. Now you can stand the rack on the ground. Unlock the wheels. Localize the pins for adjusting the respective angles and the panel. The solar panel rack is now ready for operation.